Hey guys, it's Miss True Love coming to you this morning from um, wonderful Oxford, Alabama, where I happen to live. And I hope you guys are doing well. Going to do another lesson for y'all. We've been covering text structures. The first one we covered was chronological order or sequencing, or the order that sometimes that an author uses to present as material to like show a process. Um, First, next, last, finally, are some things you would see in those kind of text. Then we covered comparing and contrasting, how things are like, how they're different. And today we're going to look at another text structure. Sometimes a writer will want to explain how one event could lead to another. This kind of text structure is called cause and effect. Cause and effect has some clue words, just like we had clue words with our compare and contrast. In compare and contrast, we look for words like first, next, last, finally. But when we're looking for cause and effect, we're looking for words like cause, effect, as a result, consequently, and so. Can we find clue words in this paragraph here? The night snowstorm had many effects. People were out shoveling snow from their sidewalks. The power lines were draped with ice. Snowplows drove down every street. Children were the happiest of all. The unexpected snow caused school to be canceled. So let's look at this passage. Now, what I'm going to share with you is a good reader is a careful reader. So what I would suggest is I would take every sentence. We're going to be detectives here. So let's go ahead and let's start. So the night snowstorm had many effects. Oh, there it is. There's one of our clue words right there, effects. So that we know that would be our first clue. People were out shoveling snow from their sidewalks. Do we see a clue word there? No. The power lines were draped with ice. No. Snowplows drove down every street. No. Children were the happiest of all. No, but that's true. And the unexpected snow caused school to be canceled. So we see up. We saw caused. Again, right here, caused. So we see cause and effect presented right in the passage. More were cause and effect. Baby painted turtles spent all winter in their nest. They had special chemicals in their blood that can keep their blood from freezing. As a result, baby turtles can survive freezing temperatures. So, what are we looking for here? They have special chemicals in their blood that keep them from freezing. That is the cause. The effect is the baby turtles can survive freezing temperatures. Which text structure tells how things are similar and different? Well, that's compare and contrast. And which text structure explains how things happen in time order? That's chronological order or sequencing. Well, that's the end of that for there, but we can of that presentation, but we can look at cause and effect. And let's make it personal. I mean, that's what you have to do sometimes is to look how and make those connections to something and make it personal. So let's look at cause and effect with the coronavirus and how it affected us. So let's look at there were some people evidently that caught causing coronavirus probably hundreds of miles away from us. But eventually it traveled to the state of Alabama. And the virus, what did it do? It caused many people to get sick. And therefore, we had to close the Job Corps. So when we're looking at that, what happened? What is the cause? That coronavirus and people not staying home and being when they're sick and doing the things they're supposed to do. And then the effect is we're all home. We're missing each other. So we can see the cause and the effect in our own situation. Another cause and effect. Well, let's just do an example. Well, sometimes, let's say like you decide not to do your classwork, your homework, and then you don't score high on the TABE. So what was the cause? You didn't study, you didn't do your work. The effect is you don't TABE up high. So guess what? I'm going to encourage you, even though this takes a little bit of time out of your day, I'm going to encourage you to take the time every day. Just take these few moments and just go over this stuff, because the things we're giving you are I'm giving you those top 10 trouble spots. And I'm trying to help you hit the spots that are hindering us from reaching our goals. And our goals are to be able to get our high school or get our trade and go on and make great things out of our lives. So this is all part of a process. But I want to encourage you, take the time, review these lessons, go to iExcel, do the lessons that are presented on there, go to the Google Classroom, do the lessons there. Just even if you spend 30 minutes a day to do your classwork, it will make a difference, so that we don't just have downtime, that you guys are actually doing something that's going to mean a little bit of something. And I wouldn't just give you something just to give you something. I want to give you things that are meaningful, because we're all going to make the best of this situation that we've been given. So guys, with that, I love you. I miss you. I wish you the best, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.